You will love the features of this 2014 Toyota Tundra. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, iPod, MP3 input, 8-cylinder engine, tire pressure monitoring system, locking limited slip differential, stability control, intermittent wipers, tow hooks, 6-speed AT. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.